Welcome students. In the last class we have discussed about the proof of cos of x plus y. So we already proved a very important result. We proved that cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and we proved this result by geometrically. So we have given the geometrical proof of this formulae. It's a very important one. It carries 6 mark questions. Very important one. Now we shall find some more formulae from this. Okay, now we all know that cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is an important one. You have to remember this formula. You should not write cos of x plus y is cos x plus cos y. It is a formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Very important one. Now look at here. Now we shall derive more formulae from this formula. Now look at it. In this formula, you replace y by minus y. Wherever y is there, you replace this y by minus y in both left hand side and right hand side. What we get here? We see that cos of x plus in the place of y you write minus y, cos x in the place of y you write minus y, in the place of y you write minus y. So plus into minus minus cos of x minus y equals cos x. Look at here, we all know that cos of minus y is same as cos y. So it is cos y, and we all know that the value of sine of minus y is nothing but minus sine y. So we see that sine of minus y is minus sine y. This minus into minus will give rise to plus. So we have a new formula, that is cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So the first one is cos of x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here it is cos of x minus y is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now look at here. Now look at here in equation 2, look at this equation here. In this equation, if you replace x, look at this, x by 90 degree, 90 degree is nothing but pi by 2, and if you replace this y by x, what do we get? Both in left hand side and right hand side, x badlu pi by 2, y badlu x. Look at this x, we write it as pi by 2. Look at this for y, we write it as x. For x it is pi by 2, for y it is x. So what is the value of cos of pi by 2 minus x? This is cos pi by 2 cos x plus sin pi by 2 sin x. So what is cos pi by 2 value? It is 0. What is sin pi by 2? It is 1. So it is 0 into cos x plus 1 into sin x. 0 into cos x is 0. So it is sin x. So we have one more relation here. Always remember that cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Now look at here. From this one more result we can find out here. Look at this. This equation 3 reverse order. If you write it in the reverse order, sin x is cos of pi by 2 minus x. Same formula writing in reverse order. Here you replace x wherever x is there. You replace this x by pi by 2 minus x and replace this x by pi by 2 minus x. What we get here? Look at here. In the place of x, we write pi by 2 minus x. In the place of x, minus of pi by 2 minus x. Remember it. This is if you multiply by minus, minus into pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus into minus x, that is plus x. Here we can cancel this plus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, we get cos x. So we see that, look at here, sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Ready? Sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Now look at that equation 3, cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Now look at here, we shall derive more formulae. We know that this is sin x is cos of pi by 2 minus x. We have already proved that is the third result, isn't it? From this, look at here, you replace wherever x is there, you replace x by x plus y. You replace this x by x plus y. What we get here? X plus y minus of x plus y. So you multiply by minus x minus y. So you club these two terms here. Cos of pi by 2 minus x plus into minus minus y. You consider this pi by 2 minus x as some x and this y is same as y. It is the formula of cos of x minus y. What is cos of x minus y? We have already seen that it is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. From this result, we know that, look at here, cos of pi by 2 minus x is nothing but sin x and sin of pi by 2 minus x, the value of this is nothing but cos x. So e cos y and sin y as it is. So sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is the formula 5. So we have sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now in this equation you replace y by minus y here. Illelle y ide allella minus y inde replace ಮಾಡಿ. We get one more result here. So plus into minus minus sin x cos of minus y, wherever y is there you write minus y. What is cos of minus y? It is same as cos y. What is sin of minus y? It is nothing but minus sin y. So we see that this plus into minus will give rise to minus. So sin of x minus y formula is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is the sixth formula. Remember it. Okay. Now look at equation 3. What is equation 3? This is equation 3. That is cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. We know this relation. We already proved this relation. In this relation, you replace x by minus x here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ minus x ಹಾಕಿ. This is pi by 2 minus of minus x sin of minus x. What is sin of minus x? Minus x. What is this minus into minus? Plus. Now look at here, we get one more result, that is cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. Cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. Now look at here. We all know that this equation number 4 gives sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Here also you replace x by minus x here. Illenagate minus of minus x cos of minus x. So what is minus into minus? That is plus. So sin of pi by 2 plus x will be equal to cos of minus x is cos x. This is the 8th result. Okay. From equation 7, look at this equation 7 here. This is the equation 7 here. In equation 7, we all know that cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x. So we replace x, x ideyala, x by pi by 2 minus x on both sides. You replace x badlu pi by 2 minus x, x badlu pi by 2 minus x. What is pi by 2 plus pi by 2? So remember pi by 2 is 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree, that will give rise to 180 degree. 180 degree is nothing but what? Pi. So that is nothing but pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will give rise to pi. So we see that this is pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is nothing but pi. So what is sin of pi by 2 minus x? This is cos x minus hage irutte. This is sin of pi by 2 minus x. This value is nothing but cos x. So minus as it is. So cos of pi minus x is minus cos x. Remember, this is the 9th formula. Look at 8th. We already proved sin of pi by 2 plus x is cos x. So here we replace this x by pi by 2 minus x on both sides. So instead of x, pi by 2 minus x, instead of x, pi by 2 minus x. So what is pi by 2 plus pi by 2? It is pi. What is cos of pi by 2 minus x? It is sin x. Remember. So sin of pi minus x is sin x. This is the 10th result. Now look at here. From 9th and 10th. 9th result is this one. 10th result is this one. From 9th and 10th result, this is the 9th result, this is the 10th result. You replace x by minus x. X badlu minus x haki. Minus of minus x, ill x badlu minus x. So we see that cos of minus x is nothing but it is cos x only. So it is minus cos x. So we see that minus into minus plus cos of pi plus x is minus cos x. Illi here also we replace x by minus x. What we get here? It is cos of sin of pi plus x is sin of minus x is minus sin x. So we see that sin of pi plus x is minus sin x. pi is nothing but 180 degree. Again we take 11th and 12th here. 11th and 12th. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Cos of pi by pi plus x is minus cos x. Sin of pi plus x is minus sin x. Here you replace this x by pi by 2 minus x on both the sides. Here you write this x as pi by 2 minus x. Look at this. Here also x replaced by pi by 2 minus x. What is this cos of pi by 2 minus x? It is nothing but sin x minus as it is. What is pi plus pi by 2? Pi andre estu 180 degree. 180 degree plus 90 degree, that will give rise to 270 degree. 270 degree is nothing but 3 pi by 2. So we see that this is cos of 3 pi by 2 minus x is minus sin x. Here in the second equation you replace, here you replace this x by pi by 2 minus x. So we see that this is pi plus pi by 2 is 3 pi by 2 plus into minus minus x. Sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So it is minus cos x. Again you take, look at here, 13 and 14 here. In the place of x you replace by minus x here. X LL is minus x haki. 3 pi by 2 minus into minus plus x minus sin of minus x is minus sin x, minus into minus plus sin x. So we see that cos of 3 pi by 2 plus x is plus sin x. Here you replace x by minus x. Cos of minus x will be plus cos x. So it is minus cos x. Minus into minus plus agala. So this is nothing but cos x. So it is minus cos x. Therefore sin of 3 pi by 2 plus x is minus cos x. Now take 15th and 16th problem here. Here also you replace x by pi by 2 minus x on both the sides. So you note x badlu pi by 2 minus x. Here x badlu pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is 270 degree plus 90 degree. 270 plus 90, this will give rise to 360 degree. 360 degree is same as 2 pi. So this is 2 pi minus x. Sin of pi by 2 minus x is cos x here. Now look at here. Cos of 2 pi minus x is cos x. So sin of pi by 2 minus x value is cos x plus cos x. Second equation allu replace madadaga sin of 2 pi minus x will be, look at here, this is cos of pi by 2 minus x, this way is nothing but sin x with minus sin x. So we have so many results, 18 results are there. Now it is not possible to remember all the 18 results. There is a very simple trick to remember all these results. Look at here. What is the trick here? We shall go through the trick. Very, very important. This is very, very important. We have to remember this trick. Okay. Now look at here. First look into the angles pi by 2 plus or minus x or 3 pi by 2 plus or minus x. 90 degree plus or minus x or 270 degree plus or minus x. Look into this angle. If it is present, if these angles are present, then change the trigonometric ratios from left hand to right hand side as sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 270 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ, ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಇಫ್ ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಪೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 180, if it is 180 degree plus or minus x or 360 degree minus x are present, then keep the trigonometric ratios same as in the left hand side. Left hand side al sin idre sin, cos idre cos, tan idre tan, secant secant, cosecant cosecant. Remember it. Look into the angle present. If the angles are 90 degree plus or minus x or 270 plus or minus x, change left hand side to right hand side as sin to cos and so on. Next, the second step, the third step is important. The sign, that is plus, writing the plus or minus in the right hand side is determined by the rule. We have already studied this rule. Remember what is that rule? Look at here. First quadrant all are positive. 0, it is 0 less than x less than 90 degree. All are positive in the first quadrant. All are positive. If you come to the second quadrant, x is it clearly greater than pi by 2 and x is less than pi. Here only sine and cosecant are positive. Third quadrant, now look at here. First quadrant alli baruvanta angle nodi, it is only pi by 2 minus x. Second quadrant alli baruvanta angle nodi illi pi by 2 plus x or pi minus x. Third quadrant alli baruvanta angles yavadu gotta? This is pi plus x or 3 pi by 2 270 degree minus x. Fourth quadrant we see that this is 3 pi by 2 plus x or 2 pi minus x. Remember it. First quadrant we have angles of the form pi by 2 minus x. All are positive. Left side positive, the right side positive. Second quadrant pi by 2 plus x irutte or pi minus x irutte. Pi by 2 plus x andre second quadrant, pi minus x 180 minus x second quadrant eradu barutte. Only sign is positive. Third quadrant 180 plus x or 270 minus x. Fourth quadrant 270 plus x or 2 pi minus x or 360 minus x. Yakendre x is an acute angle here. 180 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 90 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, 180 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi minus x. 180 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ, 90 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ pi plus pi by 2 plus x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 180 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ pi plus x. 270 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ 3 pi by 2 minus x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ more than 270 3 pi by 2 plus x. Less than 360 2 pi minus x. So remember this. Okay. Now look at here. This is a very important one. ಹೇಗೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now look at here, pi by 2 minus x is there or 90 minus x. If it is, look, as I told you, if it is pi by 2 plus x or minus x, left hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದ್ರೆ right hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಇರಬೇಕು. It is sin, here you have to write cos x. So this is lies in the first quadrant, pi by 2 minus x, so you have to write plus cos x. First look into this angle pi by 2 minus x idre left side sine get changes to cos x anta baribeku. Amele plus or minus is determined by this quadrant. Where is this quadrant? First quadrant alli all are positive. Sine is positive here, you write plus. Come to this one here, pi by 2 minus x is there, sine changes, cos changes to sine. This is in the first quadrant, therefore it is positive. Here pi by 2 minus x, cosecant changes to sine, secant, and it is plus because first quadrant. So secant changes to cosecant plus because of first quadrant. Pi by 2 minus x is there, tan changes to cot because of first quadrant, it is positive. Pi by 2 minus x is there, cot changes to tan because of first quadrant, it is positive. Now come to the next one here. It is pi by 2 plus x. Where is this pi by 2 plus x? We see that this pi by 2 plus x is lies in the second quadrant. Remember it. This is lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine and cosecant are positive. Alva? So now look at it. Pi by 2 plus 6 is there. Sine changes to cos, and this pi by 2 plus lies in the second quadrant. Therefore, it is positive. Therefore it is positive. So cos of pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 plus x is there, cos changes to sine. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is because this lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant only sine is positive. Here cos is present. Therefore you have to write minus sign. So the quadrant ಮೇಲೆ plus minus determine ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 plus x minus x ಮೇಲೆ cos sign change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So now look at it. Pi by 2 plus x is there, cosecant changes to secant. This is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin ಮತ್ತೆ cosecant ಅದರ reciprocal positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So positive. Secant pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x is there, secant changes to cosecant. and this minus is because of this lies in second quadrant. Only sine and cosecant are positive nodi, iವೆರಡು ಮಾತ್ರ positive, ಬಾಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ negative. So pi by 2 plus x is there, tan changes to cot, minus is because of this is in the second quadrant, only sine cosecant positive. Pi by 2 plus x is there, so cot changes to tan, minus because of this second quadrant. ಹೀಗೆ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಬರಬಹುದು. Look at here, pi by 2 minus x, this is also present in the second quadrant. Now look at this, sine of pi minus x, pi minus x ಅಥವಾ pi plus x ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. if it is pi plus or minus x or 2 pi minus x, LHS will be same as RHS, that is sine is there, sine, this is in the second quadrant, therefore it is positive because sine is positive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. Pi minus x is there, therefore cos remains as cos x only. This is in the second quadrant where cos is negative there. Second quadrantal sin matra positive, cos iradrinda idu negative barutte. Cosecant is, we know that pi minus x, cosecant remains as cosecant, second quadrant positive. Here pi minus x, secant remains as secant, second quadrant, secant negative. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, tan ಇದ್ರೆ tan ಇರುತ್ತೆ, cot ಇದ್ರೆ cot ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now come to this pi plus x. We all know that pi plus x lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant we see that only tan is positive, tan and cot. Tan and cot are positive, isn't it? Now look at here. Pi plus x iddaga sin remains as sin, but it is negative. Why negative? Because this lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant alli tan matra positive, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ negative. So pi plus x, cos remains as cos, third quadrant, therefore negative. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ negative. Look at this. This is the third quadrant. Pi plus x means tan remains as tan. It is plus because third quadrant alli tan positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. cot ಸಹ positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 270 minus x. 270 minus x ಅಲ್ಲಿ we see that left hand side sin is right hand side cos ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This lies in the third quadrant. Only tan and cot are positive. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ cot positive, left hand side tan positive, but sin changes to cos. 270 ನೋಡಿ, this is third quadrant negative, because of 3 pi by 2 minus x, sin changes to cos. Okay, come to this 3 pi by 2 plus x, this lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant alli only cos and secant are positive, right? Now look at here, 3 pi by 2 plus x irli minus x irli, sin changes to cos, negative because of this is lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant alli cos ಮಾತ್ರ positive ನೋಡಿ, cos and ಇದು reciprocal positive, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ 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 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. tan ಇದ್ರೆ cot ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cot ಇದ್ರೆ tan, secant ಇದ್ರೆ cosecant, cos ಇದ್ರೆ sin, cosecant ಇದ್ರೆ secant, sin ಇದ್ರೆ cos. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 3 pi by 2 plus x. ಕೆಲವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಕಾಸು ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್, therefore it is plus. So now look at it, 2 pi minus x. We all see that 2 pi minus x lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant we see that cos and secant are positive, and also 2 pi minus x idre left hand side sin idre sin irutte. So 2 pi minus x is the fourth quadrant, therefore it is negative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ cos ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಬಾಕಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟೆ, tan tan, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cot cot ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಮತ್ತೆ secant ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ an important one, remember it. ಫಸ್ಟ್ pi by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, sin of 180 plus 40 degree ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ 180. 180 ಇದ್ರೆ sin remains as sin, we have to write sin 180 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, sin 40 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? This lies in the third quadrant. Sign is positive in the second quadrant. Therefore you have to write minus. First look at this. 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi ಇದು. Pi plus x ಇದ್ರೆ sign remains as sign. Okay. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು sin of 270 minus 50 ಬರ್ದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. 180 plus 40 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 220 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 270 minus 50 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 220 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? 270 is there. 270 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಟು cos. You have to write cos 50. This lies in the which quadrant? 270 minus ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 270 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you have to write minus. So we see that minus sin 40 degree is same as minus cos 50 degree. Both are same. ಎರಡರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This is nothing but if you see this is the both values are one and the same. ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Now look at here. Sin of say 180 minus 30 degree ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. What is this? Lies in the 180 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ sin remains as sin. So this is sin 30. This lies in the second quadrant, therefore it is plus. Sin 30 degree is 1/2. Okay. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So you can write sin of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 180 minus 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 150 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ plus 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇವೆರಡು. But 90 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ this sign changes to cos. You have to write it as cos 60 degree. And 90 plus 60 lies in the, again it is in the second quadrant, therefore you have to write plus. So it is cos 60 degree. The value of cos 60 degree again 1/2. So the value will not get changes. Value same. 180 minus r over 90 plus r over the final answer will be the same. Therefore remember two things. First ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You have to see that the given angle is 90 plus r minus theta or okay plus r minus x or 270 plus r minus x first, or 180 plus r minus x or 360 minus x. Next you have to look into the quadrant. Remember 90 minus x first quadrant, 90 plus x and 180 minus x, these two are in second quadrant. Next 180 plus x or 270 minus x, this is third quadrant. 270 plus x, 360 minus x, this is in the fourth quadrant. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. 90 minus x ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಇದು ದೀಸ್ 3 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 3 times ಬರಿಬೇಕಿದೆ. ನೋಟ್ 1 2 3 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ನೋಟ್ 1 2 3 ರೈಟ್ 3 times. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದು 1 2 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. ಈ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ ಸಾಕು. ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಈಗ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 90 minus x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. This is 90 minus x, all are positive. This is 90 plus x, 180 minus x, sign is positive. This is 180 plus x, 270 minus x, tan is positive. This is 270 plus x, 360 minus x, cos is positive. Okay, so ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, so this is x axis, this is y axis. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀರಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೇಡ, ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೇಡ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ನೋಟ್. With this figure you have to write down minimum 3 times. Okay, thank you.